Hey everyone, here's a quick and simple tutorial on how you can convert your PowerPoint slides into Google Slides. Let's begin. First up, you will need to upload your PowerPoint slides from your computer. And the way to do that is as easy as dragging a file onto your browser screen. Uploading may take a couple of seconds depending on the size of your file. Once it's loaded, simply double-click on the file to open it. In the new video, go to the top right-hand corner, click File, followed by Save As Google Slides. In the new window, be sure to go through every single slides, as there are usually some alignment and font issues. As you can see, there are some alignment issues which I'm trying to fix right now. Okay, looks like everything is all in order right now. Once that is done, go to File, Share, and Share with Others. Change to anyone with the link and you're good to go. Now you can copy the link and share it with anyone. If you want to edit the Google Slides in future, go back to the main window and refresh it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will personally answer all of your questions. All the best to your presentation!